Hello guys, welcome to our new music class. During this week, we are going to start to work in our platform called NOteflight. Last year, we were working in this platform, writing some scales, writing some things in music, and this year we are going to improve our skills in this software. In this year, the first thing that you need to do is enter to NOteflight and write the next progression. Okay guys, the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to your Schoology page, and in this week, you have to go to NOteflight assignment. Here you have to click in this link, that is the link for NOteflight from Colegio Menor. Don't write in Google, because if you write NOteflight in Google, it's another site. We have a special site for us because we pay for the license for this program, okay? Here you need to click it. As soon as you click in the link, you are gonna receive this window. You're gonna be here, username and password. Your username and password, it's the same as the last year. If you are new in the school, it's name with capital, the first letter of your name is with capital, space, your last name with capital, the first letter, space, 2024 or 2023, it depends. If you are in 8th grade, it's 2024. If you are in 9th grade, it's 2023. Space GYE with capital. The spaces are super important, and the capitals at the beginning are super important. And the password, it's Menor 2020. The first M, it's capital. Okay, Menor 2020. Remember, name, last name, 24 and 23, space GYE. The spaces are super important, and the first letters are capitals. Remember, the password is Menor 2020, the first M with capital. In this case, I'm going to write my credentials. You already know how to write, how to enter. And sign in. As soon as you enter to this platform, the software is going to ask you to change the credentials. In this case, your password. Please change your password and write a new password, but something that you can remember. After that, you have to go to create here in the top of your page. In your left side, you have to create, and you have to select treble clef, and you are going to be here in this window. Name is progression 1, and the composer is your name. Okay, in my case Jeveranda, but I'm gonna write Pepito Perez because it's your name. Okay, during last year we learned that we have a major scale starting in C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, where C is the first note. C here in the bottom is the first note, D is the second, E is the third, F the fourth, G the fifth, A the sixth, and B the seventh. If we write an interval of the major or minor third, in this case C, E, G, D, E, F, E, G, B, F, A, C, G, B, D, A, C, E, B, D, F. If we write two notes in the top of our first note, we are going to create a chord. In this case, we need to know that when we write these three notes, we are creating a new chord. In this case, the first grade is major. We have the first, it's the major chord, that's why we have capital. The second, it's a minor chord. The third, it's a minor chord. Fourth, it's a major chord. Fifth is a major chord. Sixth is a minor chord. And seventh is a diminished chord. Okay? You just have to learn how to create these chords. if you want to write with the real names, you have to know that this is C major, D minor chord, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, and B diminished. But always in a major scale, we have the first note is major, the first chord is major, second chord is minor, third chord is minor, the fourth chord it's major, the fifth chord is major, the sixth chord is minor, and the seventh it's diminished. In base of this, if you want, you can repeat this video again and again so you can understand how this works. You have to create this progression. 1, that is C major, 4, that it's major, and 5th, that it's major. If we check our document, we have 1, it is major, C, E, G, 4, that it's major, F, A, C, and 5th, that is major, C, B, D. Okay, we have 1, 4, 5th. Let's go back to our NOteflight. We are going to write this in whole notes. In whole notes. First of all, we are going to write here our chord number 1. It's C. C, okay, with whole notes. Right here, C, then E, then G. What is the next one? We have F, or the fourth. What is F on or fourth? F, A, C. The second one you have to write here. F, A, C. And what is the last one? G, or the fifth one. We have to write G, B, and D. Okay? That's it. If you want to listen how this sounds, click in play. Okay, that is our first assignment. At the end, you have to press save, here, save, and you have to send me, you have to share with me, here in the top of the right, score details. After that, you have to go to share score, individuals, and you have to enter my name, Jeff Aranda. As soon as you write Jeff Aranda and you press save, I'm gonna be here, I'm gonna receive your homework. This is your first assignment for this week. You have to create this progression in NOteflight. Let's work. If you have any questions or something, please write me, send me an email, send me by Schoology. I'm gonna answer everything. Okay? Let's work.